The children of the vessels. In a town there lived a rich merchant who was exceedingly greedy. He was never satisfied with what he had, but always craved for more and was quite unscrupulous about accumulating wealth and property. In the same town there lived another man who was very shrewd, and he decided to teach the greedy merchant a lesson. One day he came to the house of the merchant and asked for some cooking vessels on loan for a special occasion in his house. The merchant grudgingly gave him a few vessels. He carefully prepared a list, took a receipt, and stressed that the vessels were to be returned immediately after the function was over. The borrower agreed to everything and took the vessels home. On the third day, he returned the vessels to the merchant as agreed. The greedy merchant immediately saw some small vessels in addition to those he had lent. He pointed at them and asked, "What are these extra ones?" The shrewd man replied that they were the children born to the older vessels in his house. Children of the vessels? The greedy merchant was amused, but he did not say anything. If the other man was such a fool, why should he not be benefited thereby? He took all the vessels, including the children. After a few months, again the shrewd man came to the greedy one to borrow vessels for another ceremony. This time the greedy merchant did not make any fuss. He willingly gave the vessels and told the borrower that he hoped there would be many children born to the vessels. After a few days, the borrower returned the vessels together with some small ones, the supposed children born at his house. The greedy merchant inwardly laughed, but keeping a serious countenance, he gladly accepted the newborn vessels. This happened 3 or 4 times. Every time the greedy merchant gained more vessels. And then once more, the shrewd man borrowed a lot of vessels. Within a few days, he was back at the greedy merchant's house, weeping and wailing aloud. The greedy merchant anxiously asked why he was weeping. The shrewd man cried even more and finally said between sobs, "Sir, all your vessels got fever. They were so ill I could not save them. They all died." The greedy merchant's face paled. He tried to laugh and said, "What nonsense! How can vessels die?" "Sir," said the shrewd man, "your vessels are not ordinary vessels. You know that if they can give birth to children, then they can also die." There was nothing the greedy man could do except swallow his anger and keep quiet.